Mix water with chocolate and be surprised by the result. Here, I will start by cutting 2 bars of chocolate that totals 160 grams. Done that, let's take and pass everything for a pot. Soon after, I added 120 ml of water. On fire. Let's move until melted this chocolate completely. So, it's already perfect. Let's take it and pass everything to a container of preferably exit glass. Let's reserve this side in a container with ice. We will also add water. Let's put our container with the chocolate on top. With the aid of a whisk, let's heat it really well until it starts to harden. You can also use food mixer. This is the sweet spot. Guys, look how beautiful this mousse is. Just remove and go through a container of your choice. Can you imagine making a perfect chocolate mousse with just 2 ingredients that look amazing, folks? Honestly, there's no way to resist. I'll refrigerate it until it freezes, but it's optional, and look at this texture. Do it at your home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope that you liked it. This was another little recipe here from the Pour in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.